All right, now that you've had a chance to practice, it's time to check our work to make sure that we are practicing correctly. So number 1 says complete the picture to find 6 divided by 2. Okay, so I have a total of 6. That's my dividend. And I'm dividing it into 2 groups this time. So if I start with 6, I know they have to be divided equally. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kind of looks like a surprised face. Anyway, so I have 6 items. They're divided into 2 groups. How many are in each group? That would be my quotient. I have 3 in each group. That's what number 1 should look like. Let's look at number 2. It says write a division equation for the picture. So in a division equation, you're always going to start with your dividend. That's the largest number. So it's however many you have total. So if I look at this, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items total. So that would be 8 as my dividend. That's always going to come first in my problem. And then they are divided into groups of 2. So I know that I'm dividing by 2. And how many groups do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. If you wrote this in the other way, you would have 8 divided by 4 equals 2. That's the other way to write it. All right, let's look at this one. What is my dividend? Well, I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 dots. So 12 is my dividend. What is my divisor? I have 2 groups. 2 is my divisor. So how many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are in each group. So that is my quotient. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. You could have also written it this way. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Okay. Last one. How many do I have total? What is my dividend? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is my dividend. And they are separated into groups of 2. So my divisor is 2. So what is my quotient going to be? Well, that's the number of groups I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups. So 14 divided by 2 equals 7. 7 is my quotient. If you wrote it the other way, it would be your dividend, your divisor, your quotient. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. So how'd you do? Did we understand this one pretty well? I sure hope so. On the next couple of pages, you're going to be practicing dividing by 2. Remember, there's 2 different ways you can do it. You could have 2 groups, or you could have groups of 2. This is how we divide by 2, and this is how we write it. All right, friends, go forth and conquer.